How to access marketplace on Facebook, or how to get a marketplace option on Facebook. So basically, if you download Facebook, it will automatically be there. Now, as you can see here, for instance, on the bottom part, you will see these different options here. As you can see, home, friends, watch, profile, notifications, and menu. Now, as you can see, you cannot see any marketplace options there for you. So all you have to do is to just go to your menu bar and go here to your settings and privacy, then tap on settings and just scroll down till you see shortcuts. So under preferences, you will see here shortcuts, then just tap on shortcuts there, and then go here to shortcut bar, where you can choose which shortcuts Facebook can use to personalize your shortcut bar. So just tap on that, and here you will see the available shortcuts that you could have. And as you can see, I your marketplace is hidden. That is why you don't have any marketplace option for you on your Facebook. So if to actually have that, just tap on hidden here and just tap on pin or auto update based on your Facebook activity. You just tap on pin there. As you can see on the bottom part, the options are now different. You can have home, friends, watch, marketplace, and notifications. And if you tap on marketplace, it will lead you to your marketplace area. And basically, that is how you access marketplace on Facebook, or how you get marketplace option on Facebook. If it doesn't work, make sure that your Facebook application is updated. All you have to do is to go to your App Store or Play Store and just search Facebook and then update it there and do the same process again. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.